Hello everyone, this is Vahita from CSE Department of Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I'm here to discuss the few topics about the subject CS 3352 Foundations of Data Science. Here we are going to discuss about data mining, data warehousing and the basic statistical descriptions of data. First, let us see about data mining. So, data mining is the process of discovering actionable information from large data sets. And data mining uses mathematical analysis to derive the patterns and trends that exist in data. The mining models can be applied in specific scenarios such as forecasting, risk and probability, recommendations, finding sequences, grouping. And this is the diagram which shows the method of data mining. Okay, so we are going to have some databases, data warehouses, and mining is done here. Data warehousing, it is a process of constructing and using a data warehouse. Okay, so a warehouse is constructed by integrating the data from multiple heterogeneous sources to that support the analytical reporting structure or ad hoc queries and decision making. Characteristics of data warehouse: subject oriented, integrated, non volatile, time variant. Database versus data warehouse. Let us see what is the difference between the database and data warehouse. The main difference is that the database data is collected for multiple transactional purposes. However, the data warehouse, the data is collected on an extensive scale to perform analytics. The databases provide real-time data while the warehouses store the data to be accessed for big analytical queries. So this is the database architecture. We have three types of architectures like top tier, middle tier and bottom tier architectures, and data are stored in the maybe in the external sources or all in the servers. Now let us see about the benefits of an enterprise data warehouse. Fast responses, availability, quality and consistency, business intelligence, cost savings and increased revenue. Now let us see about basic statistical descriptions of the data. The basic statistical descriptions can be used to identify the properties of the data and highlight which data values should be treated as noise or outliers. Measuring the central tendency, mean, median and mode. The attribute x, like salary, is recorded for a set of objects like let x1 and x2 up to xn be the set of n observed values or observations for x. Measures of central tendency includes the mean, median, mode and mid-range. The most common and effective numeric measure of the center of a set of data is the arithmetic mean. So this is a formula to calculate this x. Measuring the dispersion of data, that is range, quartiles, the variance, standard deviation and interquartile range. The measures such as the range, quartiles, percentiles and the interquartile range are used to access the dispersion or spread of numeric data. So let x1, x2 up to xn be the set of observations for the numeric attribute x. The range of the set is difference between the largest, that is max, and the smallest, that is minimum values. Quantiles are the point taken at the regular intervals of a data distribution, dividing it into an essentially equal size of consecutive sets. So IQR is calculated by Q3 minus Q1. The variance and standard deviation. So variance and standard deviations are the measures of data dispersion. A low standard deviation means that the data observation tend to be very close to the mean, while the high standard deviation indicates that the data are spread out over a large range of values. The variance of observations or x1, x2 up to xn for a numeric attribute x is shown below in the formula. Thank you.